Point 4. We have the power to direct our mind, which is our thoughts, and the direction of our thoughts controls the direction of our feelings, right? So if vibration, if our feeling is our guidance system, therefore we know when we're feeling really good, our thoughts are being constructive where we want to go. And if we're not feeling so hot, we know that we have destructive feelings, feelings of lack, beliefs of I can't do this, I don't know what it is. Here's a great point. Now listen to these words here. It's going to be very good. Okay, just kind of feel this, okay? The reason why you would ever doubt yourself, more doubt comes because you're looking through your eyes at your physical things and you can't figure out how something's going to happen. So you doubt it. But imagine if we look through our eyes on everything we ever did and we couldn't advance farther than that. Our thoughts about what is, our memories of what has happened, this little cloud that we're in, we couldn't expand farther than that. That was kind of where we're locked in. Okay. Versus, right, if our mind is constantly moving and thinking about where we want to go, and we have these doubts creep up, the doubts is just because you're looking through your eyes at your physical scenario or your memory of what has been. Oh, I can't do that. I'm not a $50,000 earner per month. I can't find that loving relationship. I can't have that dream home. I don't have that much money. I can't pay for my payment or my bill or this, that, the other thing. Why do we say that? Why do we doubt that? Why do we think that? It's because you're looking through the eyes, your own point of view, your own perspective about what has been, what you have done, and what is. But like I was mentioning in the first scenario, if that was true, babies would never walk. They would cry out, I can't do this. I keep falling down. I scrape my knee. I can't get up. Thank God babies can't talk yet. Thank God babies can't really form thoughts to say if they can do something or not. Because I always say, if you're a parent or you have been a parent or you will be a parent, whatever it is, right? Say, damn right, my baby's going to walk. Get up. You could do this. And you would encourage that baby like you already probably do. It's going to walk. It's going to grow. It's going to play. It's going to learn. The baby just can't say, I can't do it. Doesn't have a memory of it not being able to do it. So sometimes you got to forget about your past. You just got to let it go. Most of you brought up the word surrender. Now, as a society, we never surrender, especially in competition. Of course, yeah, you're always going to be persistent. You're going to have the attitude of a winner, right? But surrender the old disempowering thoughts that keep holding you back. Once you finally say, all right, I give up. Listen with keywords though, because you want to take this out of context, okay? I give up. I give up the negative thoughts, the negative beliefs that I can't do this. I give up the thoughtful, lacking ideas. I give up the idea that I couldn't have my perfect soulmate. I give up all this crud. I give up all the memories of the past. It's part of my story, but it's already done. I give up. Let it go. What a sign of relief. He said, I'm going to let in all this good. I'm just going to let it in. I'm going to allow myself to feel good because I choose to. I'm going to allow myself to feel happy and more abundant because I choose to. So giving up doesn't mean you're giving up the goal and the stuff going around you. Giving up the words, though, the sacrifice, the letting go, and the surrender, rather, is more of the saying, let go of the crud. The crud is what's keeping you from going forward. Your excuses on why you can't do something is the things, the ideas, the beliefs, the things that are holding you where you are.